This is a M&P Smith & Wesson out the front knife. I really like it. It's got a nice glass breaker, and if you know me, having a glass breaker is a must. It's just kind of a safety thing for me, just in case you ever need to bust a window out. It's better to have it. It's kind of like having a knife to begin with. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. They really did a great job on the newer one with those retractable button thing here, because the other one was very small. And they also like the safety is nice and big here. I love the safety on this newer one. And then of course to unlock it so it can retract, press this back here. And for a knife that comes out like that, out the front knife, it's hard to find another one for the same price that's this good quality. Just look at that pocket clip. Nice, big, strong, rugged. A US 8 steel. Press that, and then you slide this all the way back down so it locks into place. Then you put your safety on so it doesn't open up in your pocket. Then you take it off. Flies right out of there. Very nice. I think these are very underrated. So for the price, they hit it out the park with this one. I've seen other really expensive Microtech. They're like $400, $450. Kershaw, I think it's the Iridium. Well, one of the Kershaws that's out the front, that thing's like $250. And some of the Benchmades that are out the front are also around $200 to $400. Right now, where I'm at, I don't have that kind of money to spend on a knife, and especially if it's gonna be my everyday carry. If it's my everyday carry, I'm already going out there being okay with losing it, because I have lost stuff before. I've lost knives before. I lost a multi-tool not that long ago. So I got to be okay with losing it or whatever, it breaking or something crazy happening to it. Because if not, I would probably just, I could get a $400 knife, but then I'd probably just stay at the house all day because I wouldn't want to scratch it or break it or lose it. So this is great. And I'm sure they're only going to get better with time. I'm sure they'll improve on the design even more. And some of those more expensive ones, they are really cool because with the single switch, you could retract the blade. And they have a switch on the side and it shoots the knife out and then you retract it. It's very nice. And maybe one day I will get one of those. But this is a great alternative if you don't want to spend that kind of money. This thing's like $56 right now. So I highly recommend that. You can't go wrong with it. Thank you for watching. And let me know what your favorite out the front knife is. Thank you.